What is going on, guys? So today I am back finally, I know, again, with the Legacy. So today what I plan on doing is I'm going to be taking out the VF52 turbo setup, be swapping all that out for my Twin Scroll setup, which is right here. And I thought I was buying a VF38, but it turns out this is a VF44. See that right there, VF44. So there isn't much information online about him. That being said, I don't really know what to expect besides the fact that I know I'm going to build a lot more low end boost finally, because this thing's been lacking in low end boost, or low end like RPM wise, and it was kind of annoying on the track, and I just couldn't deal with it anymore. So we found VF52 or VF44, which is all right. My mistake. It said JDM Twin Scroll. I figured VF38. It wasn't. No biggie. Because anyways, when I do grid life, I can't really push past more than 14% of stock boost levels anyways, which I think on this is like 12 pounds. So I can't really go more than, I think it's like 13.6 or like 13.4 or something like that, which is fine. So that being said, tonight we'll be taking out VF52. We'll be taking out the downpipe, taking out the head, the uppipe, the header, the wastegate, and I'll be swapping all of that onto my Twin Scroll downpipe, Twin Scroll uppipe, all that other stuff that JT gave me. So shout out to JT. We'll see if it hopefully improves it a lot more. If not, I'll be kind of disappointed. I still need to do the timing on this anyways, because I need to turn the exhaust cams back 2 teeth so I can get a little bit more low end out of this motor because it's a 20X. So that being said, let's hop right into it. I'm gonna grab 12, 14, and then start bolting the downpipe, start bolting the intercooler piping to the turbo, and then I'll catch back up with you in a few minutes. All right, so it's been about an hour. I finally got everything out. I had a few bolts that were fighting me pretty hard. Probably shouldn't have used them last time because they were looking not the greatest, and I paid for it this time. So note to self, always use new bolts. Note to yourself, I know better. I just put everything together while the motor was out of the car, so I figured it'd be all right, but besides the point. So that's the turbo, VF52. This is all out. What we gotta do now is take this coolant setup, swap it onto here, and then once we do that, then I need to take the wastegate block off right here and put that onto there. And then we should be ready to rumble and put the header and then the uppipe on. I'm gonna put the external wastegate on the uppipe while I have room and stuff like that. And then it's gonna be a pain in the neck to get that downpipe on. I already know that because of the external wastegate, but fingers crossed it'll be all right. We'll see. I don't know. It might work out. Probably won't. We'll see. All right, guys. So it's been a couple hours. Yeah, that face is because this has been a hassle. Because I didn't realize the VF44 was clocked just a little bit differently. So when I got everything bolted in, I had to undo all of these little bolts all around the compressor housing and rotate the compressor housing around enough so I could get the intercooler piping on there to fit. Once I was able to do that, after I had the downpipe bolted on, the uppipe bolted up, the freaking wastegate attached to the downpipe, attached to the uppipe, everything was all good there. And then I was like, crap. So I'm probably gonna have to take everything back out again anyways another day, but I wanted to be able to get this out of the shop so I can give the boys the room if they need room tonight, tomorrow, whenever. But it is officially ready for the first startup with the new turbo. We'll see what it sounds like. Hopefully it's gonna be a bit louder, turbo-wise. I don't really know. It's a catless downpipe. I had a catless downpipe. It'll probably sound about the same. I gotta figure out the exhaust situation. I probably gotta push that muffler on the driver's side back further down the pipe, because the way that this downpipe was, it was a little bit further back than the NVIDIA one I have. So it's a little bit more difficult to get in there. I was able to get one hanger in, but not the other. Whatever, just to be able to get it out of the shop tonight. We can finally run it, hear what it sounds like. Well, besides the exhaust leak, this thing is gonna rev happy. So that'll be all for today's video. It is pretty freaking late. I gotta go home, get some sleep, and then I gotta get ready for work for, second shift at 3. So, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. I'm gonna have to replace the Uppipe gasket because that one sounds a little smoked out, but no biggie. Anywho, stay tuned for the next video. Catch you in the next one.